Hello, welcome again to the second part of this exercise, that means 12.2. The question is, a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. A rhombus field is given and inside this 18 cows are there who are grazing the grass in the field. Okay, that means each one will get equal area for grazing. Okay, now if each side of the rhombus is 30 meter, each side is given 30 meter. Rhombus is what? A special type of parallelogram whose all sides are equal to each other. And its longer diagonal is 48 meter. One of the diagonal is given 48 meter. AC, that's why AC is the longer diagonal. It is given 48 meter. Now what we have to find, how much area of the grass field which will each cow be getting. That means एक गाय को कितना एरिया मिल रहा है ग्रेज करने के लिए. As I told earlier कि 18 cows are there, so they will get equal area for graze. That means to graze. So how to find this? So first we will find the area of total field, then divided by 18, then we will have the area for each cow. Very simple it is. So first we will find the area. The question arises ki how to find the area of this figure. So here you can see it is a triangle 1, it is triangle 2. Okay, we can apply a Heron's formula here, and we know that the area of a rhombus equals to half d1 into d2. That means diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So by this we can find the area of this field as well. So which method is looking easy to you? You can use that method. So I am using the Heron's formula here. Okay, because we know that it is after a Heron's formula, so we can apply Heron's formula here, and we can apply area of rhombus as well. So first I am doing it with the help of Heron's formula. Okay, so it is first triangle, it is second triangle. As the dimensions are same, so what will be the area of first triangle? That will be the area of second triangle as well. Okay, so area of rhombus is equal to solution. Area of rhombus is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. This is how we can find the area of this rhombus. And we know that the dimensions are same. So जो भी area 1 का आएगा वो area second का भी होगा. Okay. So here we can say area, we can say 2 into area of triangle ABC. If you find the area of ABC, then multiply it by 2 because the dimensions are same. So we will have the area of the whole rhombus. Okay, so we know that by using area of triangle as well, we can find area of triangle is equal to, by Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, and what is S? S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So we will find S first. So what will be S? A, let's suppose 30 centimeter, B is 30 again, C is 48 upon 2. 30, 30, 60, 60 plus 48, it will be 108 upon 2, that is 54. So we will have the half of the parallel, that means S 54 meter. Now put in the formula. S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C into 2, because we are finding area of triangle ABC, and ultimately what we have to find? The area of a rhombus. if we multiply, at last we will multiply. Okay, so now 54 minus 30, it will become 24. 54 minus 30, it will become again 24. 54 minus 48, it will become 6. So 24, 24 pair, they are in pair, so we can take them out. So it will become 24, and inside root, what is there? 54. Break 54. It will become 9 into 6 into 6. Okay? Now 6 in pair now, and we know that the root of 9 is 3. So it will be 3 and 6 will be out. So what will be left inside? That means what will be left? 24 into 3 into 6. Okay? Now find the value. 18 into 24. 18 into 24. 18 4 ja 72. 7 will be carried. 18 2 ja 36. 36 and 4. Sorry, 7. 432 centimeter square. So this is the area of this triangle, that means ABC. But we have to find the area of the whole rhombus. So area of rhombus is equal to area of rhombus is equal to 2 into area of triangle ABC. 2 into 432, 864 meter square. So this is the area of the rhombus. Okay, this is the area of one triangle. This is the area of whole of the rhombus. Now what we have to find? We have to find how much area inside this rhombus. 18 cows are grazing, not single. 18 cows are grazing. So 18 cows are grazing this much of area. So how much area one cow will get? So we will find. So at last what he will write? At last he will write area for 18 cows to graze is equal to, what was the 864 meter square. ज़्यादा की वैल्यू दी है 18 cows, this much area. So now we have to find the value of 1. So area for one cow to graze is equal to 864 meter square upon, ज़्यादा की वैल्यू दी है. Now we are finding for 1. ज़्यादा की दी है, कम की निकालनी होती है, तो we will divide. So 18 4 ja 72. What is that? 14 and 4 144. 18 8 ja 144. So this much area each cow will be getting for grazing. Okay, this is how it is done. I'm moving to 7th question. 6th you have to do yourself. The 6th question is: an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors, each measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter respectively. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? Very, very easy it is. First you will find the area of one triangle by using Heron's formula, because we have the sides. So using the Heron's formula, you will find the area of that one piece of cloth, then multiplied by 10. Then you will get the area of each cloth. Okay, so it is very easy. So we will move to the question number 7th. A kite is in the shape of a square with diagonal 32 centimeter and isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter, side 6 centimeter and sides 6 centimeter, each to be made of 3 different shades as shown in figure 12.42. Okay, now what they are saying, a kite is there. Okay, a kite is there. A kite is that in which the two sides are equal to each other and these two sides are equal to each other. Now what they are saying, later we will discuss. 6 centimeter here, sides 6 centimeter, and it is 8 centimeter. It is given. Okay. What they are saying, it is in the shape of a square. That means it is a square. The upper one is square shape with diagonal 32 centimeter. Diagonal 32 centimeter. Diagonal is given 32 centimeter. Okay. And how much paper of each side has been used in it? This we have to find ki how much paper is used in it. We know that if it is a square has a unique property. The diagonals are equal to each other and they bisect at 90 degrees. So you can say bisect at right angles. So when you solve this, area of square, that is ABCD. If you write ABCD, area of square ABCD. We don't have the side of this square, so we will find the side first. So we know that is equal to side into side. We know that side into side. Or we don't have the side, so first we will find the side. But we know that square has diagonals equal to each other. Diagonals equal to each other. Equal to each other and bisect at right angle. Bisect at right angle. These two properties are very, very important for finding the side of a square. First, diagonals are equal to each other and they bisect at right angle. That means if AC is 32, so BD will also be 32. Okay. So hence, therefore, what you can write, if AC equal to BD equal to 32 centimeter. Okay. Now, with the help of this diagonal, we have to find the side. That's what this is O. Now, in triangle OCD, diagonal bisect each other. If AC is 32 centimeter, AC is 32 centimeter, so AO will be half of AC. That means 16 centimeter. We know that angle, that means the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. First, diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. What is bisect? Bisect means जो दो equal parts में divide करेंगे. So it will be 16 centimeter. So OC is also 16 centimeter. And you can say कि BO is also 16 centimeter, or you can say is equal to OD. That means all parts of diagonal OD is equal to OB, OA equals to OC. Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. We know that it is 16 centimeter, it is also 16 centimeter. Okay, and it is an angle of 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem in triangle COD, by Pythagoras theorem, what we can say, CD is hypotenuse. So the square of CD is always equal to, this is perpendicular, the square of OC plus the square of OD. Okay, OC square is equal to the square of 16 plus OD square, the square of 16 again. 256 plus 256. The square of 16 is 256. So CD is coming out to be, CD square is equals to 500 6, 6, 12, 1 carry, 5 of 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry, 2, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So CD is coming out to be the under root of 5, 1, 2. Now we have CD. we have CD. Okay. So if it is under root 512, so AD is also be under root 512, AB also under root 512, and BC also under root 5/2. So how to find the area of a triangle? By side into side. Sorry, area of square. So at last you will write area of square ABCD is equal to side into side. That is equal to under root 512 into under root 512. Okay, root that means 512 into 512 centimeter square, whatever it is. If it is centimeter or centimeter, if it is meter so meter. So what will be there? Pair, they can be taken out. So answer will be 5 centimeter, 512 centimeter square. We have the area of a square now. Okay, we have the area of a square. Is square ka area. Now what they are asking for? This is of different color. This is of also different color. That means BDA is of different color. BCD is of different color. So how to find the area of ABD? So area of ABD is equal to half of area of square, because it is half of area of a square. So half of area of a square is equal to, half means 1/2, off means multiply, and area of a square is equals to 512 centimeter square. So 256 centimeter square. Area of ABD, let's suppose it is of yellow color. So the paper used for yellow color is 256 centimeter square. Let's suppose it is of red color. So the paper used for red color part will be 256 centimeter square. So area of BCD is equal to again half of area of square. That means half into 512 centimeter square. So that is equal to half into, then reduce 256 centimeter square. So we have the area of paper used for two different colors, that is upper part, then the lower part. Now one more triangle is there. That means it is of another color. Let's suppose it is of green. So what is the paper used for green color? So we will find the area of this part as well. Okay, this part. Okay. So now how to find? It is very easy again. In this triangle, we have all three sides. Base is given but height is not given. So we can apply Heron's formula here. So by Heron's formula, what we will use here? Heron's formula. So area of triangle, what is the CEF, let's suppose. Area of triangle CEF is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C by Heron's formula. We will write here by Heron's formula. Okay. Now first we will find the S. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. What is A? 6, let's suppose. B? 6, let's suppose. C? 8 centimeter upon 2. 6, 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. 20 upon 2, that is 10 centimeter. So now we have S. So put the value in Heron's formula. So area of triangle CEF is equal to what? Under root 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6, and 10 minus 8. What will be the answer in centimeter square? Centimeter, 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 centimeter. Centimeter to the power 4. And what will be outside? Centimeter square. Then we will remove the under root. So what will be left? Centimeter square. So 10 into 10 minus 6, 4. 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 6 equals to 4. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Okay. Now pair out. What is left inside? 4, 10 into 2. Break this 10. So it will become 5 into 2 into 2. 2 again we can take this 2 out. So 4 to the 8 root 5. So what will be the area of this figure? Because they are asking for different paper. So first you will write the area of this upper part will be 256 centimeter square. The area of paper used for this part, that means BCD, is equal to again 256 centimeter square. And the area of the third part, or you can say the third triangle, that means third colored paper, is equal to 8 root 5 centimeter square. So this is how it is done. So the next question, the question number 8 is again, it is very easy. A floor design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular, and the sides of the triangle being 9, 28 centimeter, 35 centimeter respectively. The design is there in the floor, which is the shape of a triangle. Okay, and find the cost of polishing the tile at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. First you will find the area of all the color tiles, then you will multiply it by 50 paisa per centimeter square. That means 1 meter square equals to 50 paisa. What will be the area? Multiply it by the 50 paisa. Then you will get to your answer. Now moving to the ninth question. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10 meter. A field is there in which sides are given 25 meter and 10 meter respectively. That means parallel sides. The non-parallel sides are 14 and 13 meter respectively. Find the area of the field. This you have to do yourself again. So that means we have done with this chapter. Then we will start the new chapter.